Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, in our last class I have given you objectives, isn't it, of this chapter, that is the respiration in plants, and very few of you have written in the copy. So that is the most disappointing, but I'm hoping today you will submit your work, that is the yesterday's work. And today, students, we are going to discuss actually a very short topic, and the last topic of the chapter, that is the respiration in plant. And the topic is the difference between photosynthesis and respiration. During the start of the chapter, I have told you that respiration is the process just opposite to photosynthesis. Means whatever happens in photosynthesis very much reverse or opposite occurs in the process of respiration. So it's very much easy to describe the difference between the photosynthesis and respiration. In our first point, in the photosynthesis, you will see that in the photosynthesis, energy is used to make the food in photosynthesis. Energy is utilized there. In the process of photosynthesis, energy, that is solar energy of the sun, is utilized to make the food. While in respiration, it is seen that the food is broken down to liberate energy in this process. In photosynthesis, light is required. Since light is the source of energy, respiration does not require any presence of light. Now, the second important point is that in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water are the raw materials. That means carbon dioxide and water is required for the process of photosynthesis. While in the respiration, we have seen that the respiration start with means what glucose and oxygen, and their end products are means the carbon dioxide and water is released in the process of respiration, while carbon dioxide and water is required in the process of photosynthesis. Now in photosynthesis, the end product is what? After the process of photosynthesis, glucose and oxygen is formed, while in respiration, glucose and oxygen is required for the process. So just opposite of each other. In the photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water is the raw material that is required, and in photosynthesis, glucose and oxygen is produced at the end. While in respiration, glucose and oxygen is required at first, and carbon dioxide and water is formed at last. Now next is that photosynthesis occurs in the chlorophyll containing green parts of the plant. Means photosynthesis occurs in the green plants, particularly the cells which contain the chloroplast or chlorophyll, while respiration occurs in all the cells of the plants and animals, microbes, etc. So respiration occurs in all the cells of the living beings. Now the last one is that photosynthesis occurs during the presence of light, that is the daytime, while the respiration occurs throughout the day and night, throughout your life. Respiration occurs throughout the day and night. So student, this was the last topic of the chapter, that is respiration in plant, and inshallah in our next class, I will provide you the question answer of this chapter. That will be also very less or very few question answers are there. And now if you have any question regarding today's topic, or also the topic that I have studied, that is the earlier topics, you can ask me. Inshallah I will clear your doubt. Assalamu alaikum.